shared love for culture and heritage. As they arrive at Laoag International Airport, excitement filled their hearts. It was their first travel into the rich land of Ilocos Norte. Yet alongside the thrill of arrival came an unexpected urgency. The young woman, in her first trimester of pregnancy, felt the familiar restlessness of a craving that demanded to be answered. Just outside the airport, they met and asked if he knew of anything that might ease her life. With a warm smile, the beshi mentioned the fresh mangoes growing in his backyard. Without hesitation, he and his friends harvested the fruit and offered it to her. She tasted the sour mango with gratitude, touched by their generosity through her craving. Though her craving was not yet fully satisfied, as they continued on, they passed a vast cornfield where farmers were gathering their harvest under the sun. The sight of freshly picked corn sparked a sudden desire in her. She gently asked for some, and the farmers gladly shared their bounty, a simple yet heartfelt gesture of Ilocano hospitality. With her first bite, relief washed over her. Her craving was finally fulfilled. Filled with gratitude, the couple were invited to witness the Pamulinawen festival. The streets burst into color and music, alive with dancing, laughter, and shared meals. Locals and visitors celebrated side by side, united in joy. As the festivities unfolded, the young woman seemed to shine even more brightly. She was no longer merely a traveler. She became the living image of Pamulinawen, embodying beauty, grace, and noble character. Her gentle smile reflected the kindness she had received, revealing that Pamulinawen lives not only in song and dance, but in the warm values and enduring spirit of the people of Laoag. Ladies and gentlemen, Cluster 7.
Let's go, JC!
Welcome to Laoag International Airport.
37 Honorable Marvin Pamulinawen. Barangay 39 Santa Rosa, Honorable Juan Carlo A. Tapios. Barangay 40 Barato, Honorable Joseph B. Bicamo. Barangay 40